You think cutting down a tree is simple? Maybe you should watch this. When these green giants fall,
Oh my god.
nothing can stop them. Take a deep breath and let's begin. Is it safe to cut down a large tree in a narrow corner? Oh no, the entire garage fell down. It's so tense. Two men are cutting down a tree in a garden. Do they have the right direction? Oh my god, it's unbelievable. It's going to break the roof and the house. What do you say to the owner? This tree seems to have determined the direction of fall, but it doesn't seem to match the natural angle of the tree. Will it fall as planned? Oh, this time it's not lucky for the owner. Good luck next time. This man is cutting a tree at his home. The direction of the tree is correct. Will he succeed? Let's see. Oh my god, the tree fell in the wrong direction. It's unbelievable. Be careful when cutting trees, guys. This expert is cutting down a palm tree near the church. The cutting technique is fine. The direction of fall is clear. There is a rope to pull the tree in the right direction. Do you think everything will be fine?
No way.
Here it is. The important moment has come. Oh my god, it's unbelievable. Only a few more blows of the hammer and this tree will fall. If it goes according to plan, it will fall towards the front of the house. Yes, a beautiful sight of smoke coming out of the house. Oh god, I'm really sorry about this, my dear house. Yes, the truck is ready. It will go forward at the command, pulling the tree down away from the house. Everything seems to be in order.
Oh my god.
Where is the truck? The tree cutter is climbing to cut the tree at the top. Can you see him? The top part has fallen. Oh my god, a person was pulled across there. I hope he's okay. Here, everyone can see him clearly through this slow motion shot. Wow, this man is cutting the top of a palm tree that is hundreds of feet high. It looks like a bow. It's really unbelievable that he dares to do that. Oh my god, can you believe this scene? He looks like a squirrel on a branch. And also really amazing at the flexibility of this palm tree. This man is performing a very important task, requiring high skill and courage to perform. He cuts down a hazard tree to ensure the safety of the people. This job is very dangerous, always with a high risk of accidents. And these soldiers are very worthy of praise and respect. This tall tree has fallen directly onto the house. A professional service team is handling the situation. This job requires expert-level skills with proper techniques, experience, and complete safety equipment. Please don't risk attempting this at home. Let's watch this DIY pro team taking down a palm tree outside the garage. The cuts are precise, the falling direction looks perfect, and the rope is ready to pull the tree in the right direction. Let's see if we'll witness a textbook perfect operation today. Wishing the team good luck. Wow, that's great. They did it. The happiest situation of the day. Congratulations. Here they are trying to deal with a very large tree lying next to the garage. To be safe, the owner did not dare to cut the tree himself, but hired a professional service with enough machinery and technology to handle it. That's a wise choice. You see, there is a team with a lot of machinery and support to perform the cutting down of this tree. It's really impressive with this process. I don't think it's that complicated. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Oh, hearing the wood crack, he immediately sprints to safety. This lumberjack is taking the final step to fell this giant tree. But wait, seems the tree isn't ready to fall yet. Now he will need to make a few more chainsaw cuts to finish his job. And here it comes after the final cuts, the giant tree begins to sway. A spectacular moment, isn't it? Hey everyone, witness this amazing performance. The worker is skillfully trimming each branch. With precise and safe cuts, he's truly an experienced professional. The chainsaw roars to life, and branches start falling in a controlled manner. It's amazing to see how each of his movements is precise to the smallest detail. Not a single mistake in this dangerous work. Now for the highest section of the trunk. Each cut is carefully calculated. The final piece of wood for today is being lowered. See you tomorrow for the remaining tree base. Let's take a look at this impressive high-altitude tree cutting process. This task requires skill and absolute precision. The operator must use specialized equipment to ensure safety and efficiency. This is not a job for the faint-hearted. Are you impressed with their skills? Share your thoughts in the comments. Want more exciting content like this? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our amazing community. See you in the next video.